etapa 5, sección 6. Describe la naturaleza, lección 6.
The rain is lighter now.
La lluvia es más ligera ahora.
There's a light wind today. Light. There's a light wind today. Today.
Don't let the flies come in.
No dejes que las moscas entren. No dejes a las moscas entrar.
Where is the cat hiding? Is the cat hiding?
Tengo que salir.
Flies have wings.
Las moscas tienen
A light rain was falling. A light rain was falling.
Frogs eat flies.
There was a light snow last night. There was a light snow last night. There was a light snow last night.
Daniel told me that fall was his favorite season.
Daniel told me that fall was his favorite season.
I like every season except winter.
I like every season except winter.
Spring is a beautiful season.
Spring is a beautiful season.